Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Power BI with your organizational account, then open the PBIX or create a new report. Connect to data sources now so visuals refresh correctly. This avoids broken links later. Once connected, choose where to save, Power BI service for cloud autosave or desktop for manual control. Make sure autosave is enabled in service and note the workspace destination. This determines sharing and versioning. If using desktop, prepare a folder and name file clearly so subsequent saves are consistent and traceable. Next, you handle the middle steps. In desktop, you save to overwrite the local PBIX or save as to create a versioned copy. Once done, publish to Power BI service to push both report and dataset to the cloud. This enables scheduled refresh and sharing. Make sure dataset credentials are configured in the service so refresh works. Also, check workspace settings for version history and content endorsement. These control who can edit and how you revert to earlier versions, which is critical for collaborative reports. Finally, verify your report is in the intended workspace and schedule dataset refreshes. This completes the save lifecycle. Once done, grant access and set permissions so users see the latest version. If something goes wrong, use version history to revert to a prior PBIX or published snapshot that restores working visuals quickly. And if refresh or publish fails, check credentials, gateway status, and dataset relationships. Most issues stem from expired credentials or an offline gateway, so resolve those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.